Welcome to the world of Bitcoin, the revolutionary decentralized digital currency that's changing the way we think about money. In this video, we will be showing you the step-by-step process of creating your own Bitcoin wallet. The first step is to download a Bitcoin wallet app on your smartphone or computer. There are several options to choose from, such as Coinbase, Blockchain, and Mycelium. Once you have chosen an app and downloaded it, you will need to sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Next, you will need to verify your email address and phone number by following the instructions provided by the app. This is an important security measure to ensure that only you have access to your wallet. Once you have successfully set up your account, the next step is to write down your recovery phrase. This is a unique combination of words that you will need to store safely in case you lose access to your account. Now that your wallet is set up, you can start receiving and sending Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange or ask someone to send it to your wallet's address. Congratulations, you now have your own Bitcoin wallet and are ready to start using Bitcoin for transactions and investments. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase safe and to regularly back up your wallet to ensure the security of your funds. As the value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, it's important to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay informed and stay safe in the world of Bitcoin with your own personal wallet.